Perched amidst Costa Rica's mist-shrouded mountains, the Monteverde Cloud Forest Reserve is a captivating tapestry of ethereal beauty. This mystical rainforest boasts a canopy enveloped in swirling clouds, creating an otherworldly atmosphere. Adventurers can navigate suspended bridges that traverse the treetops, granting them access to a hidden realm of resplendent orchids, fascinating insects, and elusive mammals like the adorable sloths. The cloud forest's unique climate supports a diverse array of life, and it serves as a living laboratory for scientific research and education. Efforts are underway to protect this fragile ecosystem and promote sustainable practices to ensure its preservation for future generations.